Have you ever wondered how just a few simple kitchen staples like oranges, ginger, and carrots can completely transform your daily energy? This vibrant blend is more than just a drink. It's a natural boost to help you feel lighter and more refreshed from the inside out. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to make this powerhouse juice and this healing orange peel tea right in your own kitchen. It's easy, budget-friendly, and truly life-changing. Let's get started. Before cooking, cleaning your ingredients is key to ensuring safety. First, for the oranges, look for fresh ones with thin, bright skins that feel firm and heavy in your hand to ensure they are juicy. Place the oranges in a large bowl of water, add a pinch of salt and baking soda, then let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. While soaking, gently scrub the surface with your hands to thoroughly clean the outer peel. Baking soda helps remove dirt and surface residues, while salt provides a mild disinfecting effect to ensure safety. After soaking, rinse them thoroughly with clean water and let them dry completely before we start peeling. Next, peel off the outer skin of the orange. You can leave a tiny bit of zest if you want a stronger aroma, but peeling it cleanly will ensure the juice doesn't taste bitter. Don't throw away these orange peels. Save them for a special tea later in the video. Then, cut the orange into small pieces. Make sure to remove all the seeds so that once blended, our drink is perfectly smooth and free of any grit. Next is the ginger. Since it has many crevices where dirt can hide, break it into smaller pieces to clean thoroughly. Then soak in light salt water for 3 to 5 minutes. Cut off any damaged parts. Then slice into thin pieces so that it will be easier and smoother to blend. A small tip, don't use too much ginger. Its heat and strong spice can irritate the stomach or make the drink too pungent. Since carrots grow underground, they are often covered in dirt. Start by rinsing them under running water, then soak in light salt water for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently scrub the outer skin, paying close attention to the small ridges where dirt clings most to ensure the carrots are perfectly clean. Next, scrape off the thin outer skin. And cut the carrots into small pieces to make blending easier and smoother. Next, add all the prepared ingredients, oranges, carrots, and ginger into the blender. Now add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 300 milliliters of water. Then blend on high speed until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a uniform color. Regarding yogurt, you can choose either plain unsweetened or natural yogurt. Both are excellent options. I usually just use whatever I have available at home. The light creaminess of yogurt helps mellow out the ginger spice and the orange oil zest, making the drink smoother while protecting your stomach lining. Now that the blending is done, how and when you drink this is just as important for your body to absorb all the benefits. Using it correctly ensures maximum effectiveness and helps you avoid any unnecessary discomfort. Drink 1 glass daily, preferably during or after meals. Avoid an empty stomach to prevent discomfort. Morning or noon is the best time for maximum absorption. Drink for 5 to 7 days, then take a break. I usually prepare this for my family in the morning to keep everyone alert and productive all day. Use fresh ingredients daily to preserve vitamins. If you have severe stomach issues, please consult a doctor before adding this to your routine. This drink detoxes, boosts immunity, and aids digestion. While it promotes glowing skin, remember it's a supplement and doesn't replace a balanced diet. Coming back to the orange peels from earlier, I'll share how I repurpose them instead of letting them go to waste. With just a few simple steps, you can turn these peels into a wonderful health-boosting tea. Use a small knife to carefully scrape off as much of the white pith as possible. Make sure to clean the pith thoroughly, as this is the main reason that makes the tea taste bitter. Then stack the peels and slice them into long, thin matchsticks. Orange peels are packed with natural essential oils and antioxidants that significantly boost your immune system. Slice them as thinly as possible. This helps release more essential oils and makes the tea look much more elegant. To boost the benefits, add a little ginger. The combination of ginger and orange peel creates a very warm and soothing drink. After cleaning off the dirt, keep the skin on to get the best medicinal properties. Then simply slice it thinly or crush it. Now, place all the prepared ginger and orange peels into the pot. Add water and bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for about 5 minutes. At this point, the essential oils from the orange peel release a lovely aroma, blending perfectly with the warm spice of the ginger. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat. Pour the tea through a sieve to remove the ginger and peel residue, leaving only the clear infused tea. Wait for the tea to cool down to about 60 degrees Celsius before stirring in the honey. This helps preserve the precious nutrients of the honey without being destroyed by high heat. A small cup daily not only warms your body but also greatly aids digestion. Ginger settles the stomach and reduces bloating, while orange peel oils promote bowel movement, preventing that heavy feeling after meals. For the respiratory system, this tea helps clear phlegm, soothes the throat, and effectively prevents common colds, especially during seasonal changes. This drink is very relaxing, but a small note: avoid drinking it too late in the evening if you tend to have trouble sleeping. So, with just a few simple ingredients like oranges, ginger, and carrots, you've prepared both a nutritious juice and a warm ginger orange peel tea, all budget-friendly and healthy for your daily routine. Why not give it a try? If you found these recipes helpful, don't forget to like, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.